my brain is dead today. I didn't film in a while, so that's why I'm like, my brain is like. Hi there and welcome to this YouTube channel. My name is Julia, and in today's clip I'm gonna unbox the monthly Birchbox, which seems to be the last thing I pretty much do in my latest clips. But yeah, what I mean is that I only have Birchbox related clips lately because they are very easy to film, to be quite honest with you, and they're easy to edit as well. But that doesn't mean I don't like the unboxing Birchboxes and reviewing them. I think I actually did not see, at least myself, someone who would unbox them, have no idea what they have in it, and then review them. Let's just start because then I need to work for my uni. So yeah, so let's just jump into this box. I'm just gonna legit open this. This is the box. As you can see, it looks really nice. I actually really enjoy the boxes from Birchbox because if you didn't see my previous clips, I always say that I actually use these boxes. I don't want to see what's inside. Wait. I actually use these boxes to storage my makeup. I actually did categorize them, so I'm planning to do a clip on showing you how I did it really. But yeah, I mean, I always point out that I love the boxes and so on and so forth, but to be quite honest with you, when you stick to each other, you can only see this kind of side really, and on, you know, these sides as well. But you know, it's good quality box for being, you know, cardboard box. So yeah, I actually like to point those things out. But yeah, I mean, let me show you. I always do this, at least I try to open this box, and now I know, because sometimes I forget there's a leaflet there. But I mean, I do appreciate this now because you can recycle it. So, but what do you think? Leave stuff in the comments down below. Does it look promising? Okay, these two jumped into my head, into my face, into my eyes. This is a spectrum brush. I'm gonna start off with this one because I quite wanted to try spectrum brushes, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm a bit disappointed because I don't usually use these kind of brushes for my highlighters. I genuinely used this brush for like sweeping away my fallout around my eyes, if that's happening. It is a good quality, but obviously I need to test it out and see how I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna try to use it with like highlighter as well. But yeah, I mean, spectrum brushes are like, this is an A10 brush, and I quite enjoy the fact that it's tiny because it's like travel size friendly. So I 100% appreciate that. The full size. Oh, is it the full size? Yeah, apparently this is a full size. Funny. It's 5 pounds, which, you know, for my like from my personal thoughts, it is quite pricey. But I'm not gonna lie, spectrum brushes are really well known to be really good quality and stuff. So if I'm gonna use it, it's gonna be worth it. But let's see, because I'm quite sure I'm not gonna use it too much because it's this kind of like fan brush. Now I'm gonna start off with this thing. This is the Model Co. Mermaid Glow. Let me just get the leaflet because I got no clue what it's actually supposed to do. It's a highlighter. I was about to say, there was a time when, you know, rainbow highlighters were a thing. It got to my head too. I actually have one from Makeup Revolution, but I never heard of this brand, Model Co. So I'm just gonna open it to see how it looks like. To be quite honest with you, I don't think I'm gonna really love it, just because mermaid kind of like highlighters are very icy-ish, and I'm not into the icy kind of trend anymore because I realized my skin is quite warm. I quite enjoy them once in a while, but not like on a day-to-day basis. So I'm not like really digging into them and be like, oh my god, this is so good. The Models & Co. Mermaid Glow highlighter stands for 10 pounds, and that's why I was about to say about the packaging. Why is it 10 pounds? It is quite expensive. This is the full size, but obviously sometimes they are really good and they are worth it, sometimes they are not. I'm just gonna try to swatch it like this. I mean, I'm just gonna swirl in it. Oh, it's golden! Oh my god! Okay, wait. Okay, I mean, that's one thing that is weird with these kind of like... No, it's actually golden. Wait. No, this is golden, but I'm not gonna lie, it's not the most blinding thing. But, I mean, as you can see, it actually is golden. I'm surprised by that. I like how it looks, but obviously, like I always say, I do the review versions of them. So after I test every single product from the box, I come here, I'm specifying what box is it in the video itself. So I'm gonna start now with this bad boy. This is the Nuxe Instant Mask something. I guess it's like a black mask. Charcoal, yes. Ooh, it smells nice. Oh my god, it smells like, wait. It smells like something from my childhood. Like bubble, you know those, wait, I'm just gonna show you. It smells like the soap from these bad boys. I have no idea how to call them. Soap bubbles. Wow, that's very inspired. But it smells like the soap bubbles I used to get when I was in like my young ages. This did not smell like that, but this is a British version. The ones from Romania smell like this. But I mean, it sounds interesting and it looks fancy. Nuxe is quite a fancy brand because I mean, even this one stands for £20 full size, so that's quite pricey. But obviously, until I'm not testing it out, I won't say anything too much about it. So let's just jump into the next product. Actually catched my eye now. This, I'm pretty sure is from Work Sleeps, and oh no, it's the Balance Me. Oh shit. So it looks like the deep sleep pillow spray thing. So I thought I got like a new version of this. I'm gonna tell you why I was so excited in a review video clip, so stay close to that. But this is the Balance Me Natural Skincare Hyaluronic Mist Plumping Mist. I mean, I quite have a few. I had like, I think 2 products from Balance Me, so I kind of like got along with them really nicely. So we will see if this is gonna be the same. I'm actually gonna spray it. It smells like hospital. I'm not sure if I'm liking it or not. It smells nice now. I don't know, the first spray smelled a bit funny, but now it smells really good. It smells like skincare. I don't know what to say right now because obviously I did not test it out. But it feels revigorating. Revigorant. How the hell do I say that in English? Now, I got another stuff from Anatomicals. This is the Scrub Tropical Coconut Body Scrub. So I actually seen this one when I was trying to find images for my thumbnail when when reviewing the shower gel from them. And I saw this one and I was like, ooh, coconut. Oh my god, it smells so tropical. This smells like a pina colada. But I'm a bit sad because this is a full size. And this full size is priced with only £1.50. Okay, so I assume this is kind of like a travel size full version. But it's not like a full version because I'm pretty sure I saw a bigger bottle and that's why I was really confused about it because this is tiny. But I'm just gonna put some. Okay, it's very liquidy. I'm surprised because usually these are like very thick and it's really finely milled. It has an interesting consistency. I don't know if you see, but it's very liquidy. And obviously the classic shredded paper that I'm always pointing out, which is gonna be recycled. If this clip made you think about getting yourself a Birchbox, I do have a code for having, I think, £5 off or something like that. I don't even remember. But there's like a code which helps you save some money on the first box if you've never been subscribed to Birchbox. It's gonna be only off your first box, and if you get it, I'm gonna get £5 back. And I'm just gonna use, if anyone, no one actually did use my code, but if anyone would use this code, I'm actually just gonna get makeup for reviewing over here. But everybody, and I mean everybody who gets a subscription box from Birchbox gets this code. So it's not like, oh my god, she has a collaboration or something, a code with Birchbox. Sad enough, I'm not that far away with my YouTube, my online career in beauty. So just so you know, you're gonna get it yourself too. And that is that. I hope this clip was useful and relevant and enjoyed it. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel if you're interested in actually seeing more, especially reviewing the boxes where I'm actually testing out, like I said in the beginning, testing out these products, saying my word, whether I enjoy them or not. And I also do makeup reviews when it comes to other products rather than just Birchbox. I hope I'll see you in the next one, and that is that. Bye.